Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can change your calculation mode in Excel so as to ensure that you have a workbook that is not slow, especially when you have so many formulas in such a workbook. So what we'll do here is just demonstrate how you can do this easily. There are two options that I'm going to show you. The first is from this formulas tab. So if you come to this formulas tab and you have so many formulas here that might be causing you delays in terms of processing of your Excel, you have option to be able to choose how any change in value or formula can be recalculated, especially when it depends on other values and formulas. So some of the options that you have here, just scroll down and you see automatic is the default. Then we have automatic except for data tables. You can select this if that is what you want, or you can select manual if that is what you want. So if you're selecting manual, it will be important for you to be able to select if the cell, if your workbook, should be recalculated before it is saved. Okay, this is important so that you do not have issues after you've saved your workbook. Some important information were not really recalculated and saved together. So for us to be able to do this in case we want to select manual, we'll have to use this file tab for it. So we come to this file and more and options, then come to formulas. So in these formulas, you see options for calculating our workbook. Okay. This calculation option. So you can select this automatic except for data tables. You can select this manual if it is manual that you want. And this is the option that I'm telling you. So you can recalculate your workbook before saving, or you can uncheck this if you do not want it to recalculate before saving. And after you've selected what you want, you can click on OK. Now, when you have used the manual form of calculation here, and you still want to force your workbook to recalculate, you have two options here. The first is where you calculate now, so it calculates the entire workbook. Okay, it will recalculate the entire workbook if you use this calculate now. And then this calculate sheet will only recalculate this very sheet that we are currently on. So if you want to recalculate another sheet entirely different from this one, then you have to go to the sheet and then reuse this calculate sheet. And that's just how you can be able to recalculate using these calculation options, especially when you have so much data and formula in your workbook and your workbook becomes very slow. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.